YouTube family, what's going on with y'all, man? Look, no days off, man. Hey, hit that like button. Let's start it off with that, man. Your boy has been hitting y'all with continuous video after video, man. Look, gotta bring y'all this content, man, because we got a lot of things coming out and your boy has a lot of heat inside the building, man. So hey, if this is your first time stopping through, man, make sure y'all hit that subscribe button, because we got tons of on feeds coming, tons of early looks, tons of vlogs, tons of just dopeness, man, tons of swaps, man. We can't forget the swaps, man. But yes, man, we got a lot of things coming to the channel. I appreciate everybody who has been rocking out with your boy and all that good stuff, man. You know the vibes, man. But hey, if this is your first time, go ahead, tap in, hit that subscribe button, leave a comment down below, hit that like button. With all that out the way, man, we got some foes dropping, man. Yes sir, we got the Air Jordan 4 in the black military colorway, which is releasing this weekend, May 21st. Retail price is $200. So yes, man, we got these up and coming. And if you have been asleep under a rock, you do not know what the new wave is. The new wave is these Air Jordan 4s, man. They have been going crazy, man. They have, in my opinion, you know, they have taken the spot of the Air Jordan 1, but temporarily. I feel like, you know what I'm saying, in the middle of the year, when we, you know what I'm saying, getting closer to August, you know what I'm saying, September, when them taxis is dropping, Jordan 1 hype is gonna be right back, man. But for right now, man, Jordan 4s have been taking over, man. As you can see behind me, I don't know if y'all noticed it, but I do have a box right here. Jordan 4 taupe hazes. Check the resale price on that shoe now. Actually, just check the resale price on any Air Jordan 4 right now, man. Prices have went crazy on Jordan 4s, man. But hey, this Jordan 4 in particular, in my opinion, is one that you do not want to sleep on. It is in a black and white colorway, which is very universal. You could throw on anything with it, you know what I'm saying? Anything with it, and it will flow, man. So you cannot go wrong with a black and white shoe. Hence to why I think that this shoe will move fast, and the resale on it will be, I don't think it's, let me stop. I ain't even gonna predict it. I ain't even gonna predict it, because these shoes are so unpredictable. Shoes have been sitting lately, but this is one that I do not see sitting, man. But anyways, man, let me give y'all first look at these Jordan 4s, and we'll go from there, man. Bang! Here they go, man. The Air Jordan 4 military black, clean Air Jordan 4, man. I like it just as is. I wouldn't ask for, well, let me tell y'all, if it was one thing I would want for them to do with this shoe, I would have added a little razzle dazzle, like bang, these right here, man. The Air Jordan 4 Fears. When I say a little bit of razzle dazzle, I mean that midsole area. You see how you got your splackle right there? I think we could have did some like white splackle on the black part on this shoe. That would have made it pop. That would have been dope. I look forward to seeing people probably doing like a custom on it, call them like an Oreo 4 custom. That would be dope. But if they would have had like some speckles, like some, you know, razzle dazzle like how this one has, it would have been dope. And while I have these here, man, if there's anybody from Nike, Jordan brand, anywhere out there that is listening to this video, we need these Fear 4s back, man. Let me know down below in the comment section if you think they should retro Air Jordan 4 Fear, or which Jordan 4 do you want to see them retro. I know a lot of y'all probably gonna mention the Toro 4s. We need those Toro 4s as well, man, but I definitely think it's time to give us a retro of the Fear 4s, man. Y'all let me know. But yeah, man, that's the only thing I think that would have, you know, brought this shoe out a little bit more, is putting like a little bit of splackle, you know what I'm saying, a little splackle on the black part. That would have been dope. And you possibly could have even did it on the waffles on the top, man. You could have did some splackles on this part right here, made some white speckles on it. White speckles on the black part would have been dope in my opinion. But you know, hey, Fear 4s, fire shoe. Topic at hand, man. Bang! These joints right here, man, I think, like I said, if they would have did that, they even could have did a little something on the back too. Like, man, look, I'm ready to see a custom. I'm ready to see a custom. I'm not one who messes up their shoes, you know what I'm saying? But hey, I think that would have been a dope touch. Y'all let me know y'all thoughts on that. If they'd have put like speckles on all the black parts, like the waffles, the back of the shoe, and right here, I think that would have been fire, man. But hey, let's talk about what we have right here. These joints, which is clean. Looking at them, you know, first look, dope. Can't go wrong with them, like I said. White interior sock liner. No. That's one thing I dislike about this shoe, but man, I can't deny it, man. Overall, it is a dope shoe. Packaging, presentation nailed it. Like I said earlier, the Jordan 4 totes came in that special packaging. This one does the same. I have the box right here. Bang, man. So this dope. A+. So they get some kudo points for me for putting this together the way they did. Fire box presentation, you know. Yeah, just dope, man. But yeah, it does come in special packaging. So is that why they raised the price up? I don't know why they raised the price up. They did just because they can. They know that this shoe is gonna be one that sells out, man. But yes, releasing this Saturday. I heard that what Dick's Sporting Goods, was it Dick's? I think it was Dick's. They did a first come first serve automatic wristbands. Seen the homie Ron Got Soul's video, he ended up securing a pair, man. So shout out to everybody who secured a pair. They won't have to wait no lines, do all that extra stuff, man. Good for y'all, because like I said, man, if you aren't able to secure a pair, I feel like this is gonna be one that's gonna be hard to get your hands on. They're not gonna sit. I can tell y'all, bro, these are not gonna sit. These are gonna sell out first day. You ain't gonna walk into the mall and be like, Military 4 is sitting. I don't foresee it. If y'all got them sitting in y'all areas, comment down below. Let me know if they sit and be like, man, they sitting, and hey, I'll be shocked. But these joints right here, like I said, man, releasing this weekend. Wanted to give y'all first look, clean look in 4K. You know, I hit y'all with an early look inside my car, but ain't nothing like inside the studio, you know what I'm saying? So Military 4s, we do need the military blues, man. We need the military blue joints, man. That is a pair that I do not have. I wish, you know, I had it in my collection. I do not want to pay no $500-600 for it, because as soon as I do that, I feel like they're gonna retro them. So I'm gonna just wait. Rumors are in the air that they're gonna be releasing early 2023, but we'll see when we get closer to 2023. But for now, hey, we will take these military blacks. Dope shoes, and you know, hey, can't deny, man. So I do have a detailed review on feet and lace swap coming for these joints, man. Let me know. I know obvious y'all gonna want to see black laces, but what color other than black do y'all think your boy should throw in here, man? Comment down below, man. But hey, leave y'all thoughts and opinions down below in the comment section. I just wanted to give y'all a first look. I ain't gonna talk y'all ears off. Jordan 4 military blacks. Hey, they are here. They are at retailers. I think that they're gonna be at full family sizing, man. So everybody gonna have them, you know. Can't go wrong. Can't go wrong with it. Like, come on, bro. Sheesh. Shout out to Jordan Brand. They have been killing it this year, man. Like, this really might be one of the best years in sneakers. Like, for real. When you look back at everything that we had, like, crazy. We had playoff 12s, UNC 6s, Cardinal 3s, Georgetown 1s. We got Chicago 1s dropping, Cherry 11s. Like, it's a cold year, man. And then they got tons of heat that's coming up, man. Easter 5s, Clout 5s, list goes on, man. But y'all let me know what y'all are looking forward to this year, man. I got some more early looks coming for y'all this week, as well as some on feet. So make sure that you hit that subscribe button and notification bell, man. You want to be in there first, because hey, Jay making movies, man. But hey, other than that, man, Jordan 4 military blacks, whew, movie coming soon, man. We out. Y'all stay blessed. Gone, man. Peace.
Big J, Lonzo, big, humongo, 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 humongo. Get it, pronto, hater, Jondo, Big J.